I need to fix all this mess, but I'm selling a bunch of stuff. We're gonna fix. You guys gonna follow. Now let's go because I'm late. So I sold my C6 base rotors. I have a bunch of rotors. Those brake works that I did. I still need to do my brother-in-law's car, and we're gonna drop off this to Joe. So you guys gonna meet Joe. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matt here as always. So today, one more vlogmas for you. I'm posting every single day until Christmas. If you like and subscribe, that means a lot. So that means your guys are liking and supporting videos, so we can get more Colorado and Corvette content out there. So please make sure to subscribe, check your notifications, because a lot of people are not getting the notifications. The truck has brand new brakes on it, and I'm late as usual. It is hard to believe that today it's December and it's 55 degrees. Look at that. So really hard to believe, but I'll take it. I think you guys are used to this now that I sell a bunch of stuff on Facebook or Marketplace. I buy a bunch of stuff there too. It's just a way to keep, you know, this YouTube thing going on. The other thing you guys can do to help is definitely subscribe. If you want to buy a merch giveaway, it's live. 5-time entries are running right now. The giveaway closed on Christmas Day, and then we need another like 4 days to pick the winner, and then I'm gonna make a call. It's gonna be fun, so make sure to enter so you support the channel. You get a new merch, brand new merch, nice merch, and you can win a GoPro Hero and a drone. So yes, I sold those brakes because I did the brakes for the Corvette. I got the Z06 ones. I also have a bunch of Corvette parts for sale. And hey, just try to make money. I spent a lot of money on the truck in the last month. You guys are gonna see, I think tomorrow I should have the final part here, and then I will do an unbox of everything, so you guys gonna know exactly what I'm gonna install. Dude, I'm super excited because for a long time I have been like, okay, what I'm gonna do on the truck that I'm not gonna overdo, and I think I figured it out. It's gonna be a little different than you guys are expecting, but I think you guys gonna like it. So I'm gonna meet this guy, and we're gonna stop by Joe's shop to drop off all those rotors, because I don't have a place to to throw those away, and maybe he has something cool at his shop, so who knows. So just leaving here, the guy had a really nice Dodge Ram. Can you see there? That's the Dodge Ram. So I normally meet like in a public place like this one here. If you live in New Jersey, I like to come here on Shake Shack in Parsippany. So it's easier. Like I have to drive like almost 40 minutes, but so save time. It depends on the price I get to sell it. I offer to drive a little bit and meet it in the middle. But the guy was really nice. And we were talking about pickup trucks. It's funny though, because every time I tell everybody, okay, I'm in a white Chevy Colorado, people are like, every time I met somebody and after they seen the truck, they're like, dude, you said a Chevy Colorado. I was waiting for like a really small truck. Look at the size of this thing. It's like, I know. It's just a small, big truck, dude. We are here at Joe's shop. I don't know if you guys met Joe. We met at a Corvette event, so you guys probably didn't watch. What's up?
Yo, dude. What's that noise?
I think it's my my rear rotor though. You know, there's that shield. I think because I had to hammer on it. Yeah. And I kind of pushed the shield close to the rotor. Yeah, that shield there, you see?
Oh, the shield. Yeah. The backing plate.
Yeah, the backing plate. I hate that thing.
I know, they're so annoying, but they're so necessary. Otherwise, the backs of your rotors would get all rusty, you know?
Well, it was rusty anyway.
Well, worse. It would be worse.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, look at you. All right, cool. All right, sweet. Here, I'll show you. Do you have any use for this or know anybody that wants them?
What is that, C6?
MPC, yeah, MPP C6. They're in good shape. Just need to be cleaned up. I think the car had like 30 or 40,000 on it.
What did you guys replace with?
It's actually, I guess you could call him a customer. He put the Borla attacks on.
Oh, that's the one I have.
Yeah.
Did you get like the Colorado?
Yeah, those are the ones I had on my Silverado.
Oh, okay.
That's why I was asking if you had another spare, so I could put it on the...
Well, I have the spare tire.
Yeah.
If you want it.
Well, these tires...
That they are bigger.
They're no good anymore, though.
Oh, really?
All the belts shifted in them. I was getting bad vibrations.
Oh, really?
I sold it because... So what are these off of? Whose cars were you doing all these on?
I did my wife's car.
Uh-huh.
I did my in-laws car too, and I did a friend of mine. What are you driving? Your truck?
Yeah, the Rustorado.
Your Rustorado.
This over here is where we do like most of the paint and bodywork stuff. So this is the cab for that truck, that chassis. That's all going together. I had done the bed already. The bed's all done.
Oh yeah, I saw the picture. Yeah.
And the motor's in it and everything, but we were just waiting for the body shop to pick that up. We had to do all the rust repair on the floors and everything.
So you guys working anything?
Yeah. This really rare. This is a 37 LaSalle. That's back from paint, and that's the chassis up against the wall.
Okay.
So we're going through all the suspension parts and everything now, and detailing them out, and then we'll be assembling the chassis, put the body
Got
on
you.
it.
You guys fix everything here and send to paint somewhere else?
Yeah, I mean, we do some smaller paint stuff in-house, but anything that's like a
full
paint
full
job,
body. Yeah.
And then this is like the assembly side.
Got you. Here's like, wow, almost done.
So yeah, this is like my project today. I'm working on this Corvette here. It's a 62 small block 4-speed.
That's pretty cool.
But this was a ground up frame off restoration also.
Yeah, it looks like it's like every place was touched.
Yep. Yeah.
Right.
This was just a bare chassis.
Oh. Okay.
And new chassis, because the original chassis was rotted,
just rotted,
completely rotted. So this is.
How long take you guys to do a restoration like this?
This one, I'm gonna say we probably started on it about a year ago.
Oh, not bad for the amount of work.
Yeah, hopefully like springtime it'll be ready. So.
That's what you work on.
Clusters in. I got some of the stuff done in the trunk, and now I'm trying to get
the window. Yeah.
That was today's project, was getting these pillars fit to the body.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, getting all the door guts together so I can get the glass in.
Dude, I don't know how you guys have patience to work on fresh paint and protect everything.
It's very nerve-wracking.
Oh my god.
Well, that was like today. This actually has to go back to the body shop because I had to grind in here to get this to actually fit right. Like, see how tight I was able to get the gap in here? Nice. But it didn't fit before, so that'll have to go back.
Gotcha.
So.
Man, this looks beautiful.
Yeah. I always say that this is more like art than it is.
Yeah, it is, actually.
More than it is mechanical.
Yeah, it is.
So.
This is going to be beautiful when it's done.
Oh, yeah. Very cool.
Porsche?
Yeah, we got a couple Porsches. This one's also a full restoration. Actually, I shouldn't say full restoration. Was a tear down for a paint job, and then everything that's going back on after the paint job is being fully restored.
Gotcha. Yeah, so the paint looks great.
All the trim and everything is all going to be new and fresh.
Yeah, the paint.
Yeah, super slick.
Super. Love it.
And then that one's a Survivor car.
Oh, really?
It's only got 5,000 miles on it. It's an 88 turbo.
There you go. Make noise.
Yeah. So this one, we had to pull the motor out, but it's motor out for everything on this. Did a clutch and a bunch of other stuff. But
I mean, from outside looks great.
Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, it's dirty from being here right now, but it's a beautiful car.
Gotcha.
It's immaculate. And then we got the big boat in here right now.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that one's pretty serious. That's a 39-foot cigarette.
You guys deal with that too?
Yeah, we just repowered it this year, so it's got 2 big blocks with superchargers on it. And
wow, that's crazy.
We were trying to get it in the water this year, but some circumstances happened, so we're gonna have it one more season over the winter to get some details done on it. And
I cannot even get it on the frame of the camera. That's how big it is.
Yep.
A bunch of stuff. I bought a bunch of stuff for this though. I got the tow mirrors I got the traction bar.
Did you figure out what you want to do with wheels?
I don't know.
Do you want to sell these?
Well, if I can put the money on top and get what I want, I would sell it.
Yeah. Because, I mean, I have the spacers to make these work on my truck.
Okay, I'll let you know.
What size are they? 33s?
Yeah. 20 by
33s.
12, yeah. And the tire's 33 by 12 and a half. Yeah, I'm not running spacers, though. Right. I just you need an adapter to.
That's what I had, just the adapter. It's not really a spacer, it's just an adapter, yeah.
Because, yeah.
But.
Yeah, I need to take that wheel off and figure out that chute.
So what else did you get? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Traction bars. Tow mirrors. I'm gonna change the diff cover because I'm gonna do a
diff service.
Yeah, so I might as well but I want to get everything power coated.
Where did you get your seatbelts for the Vet?
Same place I got this. It's
because I want to do blue ones in my Corvette.
It's called Safety Restore. I didn't do the back though.
Yeah.
Because I was like,
oh, you cheapskate.
No, I was like, I want to see how it's gonna look like, and then I'll do the back. All right, big thank you to Joe. If you guys don't know Joe, get used to him because we're gonna do a lot of stuff together, me, him, and Ray. And the thing we were saying was about my rotors are making noise on the back, so I gotta fix that. It is so funny that when you start meeting people, you realize how close they are from you. And they have an amazing shop here. Joe, he works there, and he's very knowledgeable. So we might do some stuff together though. But the main question is, I need you guys' help. Thank you, Joe, to take those rotors out of my hands because now we have more space. But I want to hear you. A lot of people wanted me to get on the old generation, but I don't know. I want to hear you guys. That's why I'm making this. Today I was like thinking about it. You know, what did they want to see? What I want to do. So maybe we can find a sweet spot between both because I really need to enjoy, and you guys too. So maybe the old generation. I think it's pretty nice. Right now it's really hard market to get one, but maybe you still can find one that's fixable and we don't pay too much money on it. But let me know. If you can let me know, I'll really appreciate. Don't forget, the giveaway is almost over. Videos for you guys every single day until Christmas. So if you can support, I'm doing a lot of efforts to make this possible. So just make sure to subscribe, hit that notification because a lot of people are not getting my videos. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. hardworkforce.com so you can win a drone and a GoPro. You're gonna love the GoPro, you're gonna love the drone, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.